All right, here we are, the unboxing. I'm gonna put the light on. All right, that's good. The unboxing of the unexpected, really unexpected. You'll see what it is. All right. So I kind of already started to pre-open the box. What does that say? Swoosh. Man, I need 2 hands for this. Let me set this up right here. Table. Put that down. All right. Damn, this is a tight fit in the box. Tight fit. Oh, that's what she said, right? So, Nike by You. Just let it fall. Anything in the box? Oh my goodness. Anything else in the box? Nope, nothing else in the box. All right, cool. So, CRTM. Never heard something like that. I don't know what that means. But, yeah, so I got this set up. Tilt it up a little bit. All right, here we go. Look at the box. Oh man, this is crazy. I didn't see that. So this side has nothing. This side says swoosh. This side says CRTM. This side says Nike by You. But guess what? This side says Nike by Caleb. Yo, that is crazy. Oh, it has a picture of my actual sneakers on there. So this is the dunk. These are the dunks that Nike sent out for their members, and you were actually able to create dunks. And they had kind of a limited color palette and stuff like that. So what I did was, damn, it comes out like a drawer. I gotta keep this box. I keep most of my boxes, but I didn't always do that. Keep trying to position this camera. Yo, this is crazy. So this says, oh, Nike and the swoosh are trademarks and your guarantee of quality. Okay, cool. Have a Nike day. But this right here, 1 of 1. Wow. That's pretty cool. Yo, these have been... Okay, so it's a little more khaki or tannish, actually, than the color looked online or whatever. So it's the dunks, size 10. It's supposed to be like an off-white. This is supposed to be like an off-white. It looks very kind of white, actually. But it's an off-white. Nice soft leather. Wow. It's almost like the premium leather. Nice. And the sole is off-white, too. I forgot what the color they call it. I don't know if they have it in here. They don't have it listed in here. Or whatever, because it's like a 1 of 1. So, the gum sole, though. You can see the gum sole. And this right here, the gum sole, nice. This is green, but it looks like a very khaki-ish, tannish kind of green. Which still goes with, you know, what I want to wear them with and everything like that. The back tab is leather also. And it has, oh, I didn't know the name was going to be stitched on there. I thought it was going to be printed on, but it's my nickname. printed on the back pull tab, which I got the extended pull tab instead of the traditional one, which like comes up to here and it's like kind of flat. This is there for show. Can't really use it. But this one, as you can see, you can actually use as a pull tab. They also have, I did kind of a conservative color. They did kind of like the military colors, more khaki-ish with the off-white and it's supposed to be almost like an olive drab green, I thought, but it's more like a greenish khaki, really. At least that's how it looks in this light. I'm gonna show it in some different, look at it under some different light. The Nike tab on the tongue is leather. Then you have the shoelaces that are waxy shoelaces, but instead of flat, they're more kind of rounded. And then it has the double-sided. Instead of 2 into 1 like in the Jordans, the double-sided lace keeper or whatever they call this thing. Okay, so the inside is the green also, but the sole or whatever is black. They was choked from the factory, but you know I gotta loosen those up. But yeah, I like the round laces too. Nice premium leather, man. It feels so soft and supple. That's really cool. Wow. I can't be, man, I gotta get this tab to like stay up like this, like the tab to stay up. So when I'm walking, it's more like kind of up like that. And you can see it, especially if you wear shorts or some kind of like tapered sweatpants type of thing. Jogging pants. See, like this one is like that. Look at this one. Yeah. Stack. Some of y'all may not know what this name or nickname is from. Some people who know me do. Or whatever. But if you do, put in the comments if you think you know what it's from. Alright, cool. Yeah, this is nice. I'm so happy because they said these weren't going to come till like the end of April, and they came today on March 10th. So, Nike by You. These are 1 of 1. And they have it even on the box. That is so crazy. I'm going to have to train those. They have their own spot in my sneaker case and everything. Like, so, yeah, that's going to be. These are the ones, man. It's so crazy. Now, let me show you what I actually have to match with them. Let me block because I got like mad recyclables and like boxes everywhere because I'm moving. So anyway, I'm about to wear the 4s out the door. Yep, because I got on all gray and blue, the blue hat. Yeah, but anyway, about to rock them with the Oakland A's. Khaki and green military style colors. Which didn't quite match with the premium Dunks. Close but no cigar. Those are more of like a peachy kind of natural tan color. Right now look so in this light, but this is more khaki. So I think it would match better with these. The last time I wore this hat was with my New Balances that are like the natural color, my New Balance 327s. I love the 327s. I have a whole row of them joints. Silver, red, white, and blue. Like some Miami colors. Cobalt blue and white. Man, this is like khaki, green, all kinds of bright colors. My classic 574s in natural tan and burgundy, almost like the Redskins colors, but not golden yellow, but close. Yeah, so last time I wore the hat and everything, and the outfit I wore with that. But I'm gonna try it out with these dunks. That's kind of why I designed them. So let's see if they kind of match. Knocking stuff over with excitement. See, this green and that green is a little off. But I think I could throw something together. I think I could throw that together in there. Come out. See, it's closer to the khaki than green. And being that that's like a off-white, kind of brings it out a little more. It looks more white in this light, but if I put it next to a bright white shoe, it would look different. So yeah, that's my unboxing of my one of ones of dunks. And I'm not a fan of the Oakland A's. I just got the hat for the color and the way the A with the angel wings looks kind of fly. Put it on the Marshall speaker. Yeah, I should put the one with the tab, like that sticks up. There we go. Classic. Next video, I'm gonna have it with the outfit on or whatever. So, all right, see y'all later.